Investing in stock market can be a great way to build wealth. In this video, I will share 5 tips on how to start investing in the stock market. Hi everyone and welcome to Prosper with TG Online Riches. This is TG. Some people don't really understand what the stock market is and what it is like to invest in stocks. Stock market is also called the equity market or share market. It is the collection of buyers and sellers of stocks or shares, which represent ownership claims on businesses. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder and you own a share of the company. Investing in the stock market is considered as a passive income investment if you are interested in a long term investment. However, I would rather say it is a leveraged income since you, as an investor, put your money down and you are a shareholder of the stock and earn income without putting an extra effort. On the contrary, day trading in the stock market requires active investment and it's not considered as passive income. How is the stock market is done? Investment in the stock market is most often done through stock brokerages and electronic trading platforms. It's one of the most common online business models. As a beginner stock market investor, you have to know the following 5 tips. Tip number 1: educate yourself on different types of stocks and make determination. Also know the difference between stocks versus mutual funds, ETFs, bonds, and index funds so you have some idea why stocks are the best option for you. If you want to start day trading, which requires you to allocate plenty of time and money on a daily basis, or make educated decisions if you want to invest on a long term benefit. Many investors choose to invest and reinvest their money for months or years, like 20 up to 30 years. When starting out, it can be overwhelming to understand the entire process. However, by educating yourself, you will become comfortable investing in stocks. Tip number 2: know how much money you need to start with. There is no minimum or maximum amount of money to start investing in stocks. Depending on which stock you want to buy, you can spend anywhere from a dollar, $1 up to thousands of dollars. Learn the fundamentals of diversification and have some concepts on dollar cost averaging in the stock market. Diversification is the key in the stock markets as your money is invested in different stocks rather than just one or two companies. Tip number 3: study and understand the investment strategy. Know the qualitative versus quantitative strategies of the stocks. Try to minimize the risks of investing as much as possible while maximizing the amount of return on your investment. If you really want to know how stocks work, you would want to learn the technical and fundamental analysis rather than just being passive investor. For example, if you choose active investment, understand technical analysis, know how to read the stock charts when the price goes up and down. Tip number 4: know how to actually buy the stock. There are so many companies out there and it can be overwhelming to pick the best stock for you. You can buy stocks like S&P 500 where 500 companies are aggregated together and you buy at least one share for a cheap price, or go to a company such as Amazon and invest at least $2,000 per one share. Open an account with a stock brokerage company in order to buy a stock. Stock brokerage is an app where you can buy and sell stocks. Then download the stock brokerage app and sign up with one of the most popular stock brokerages like TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and Vanguard. Some of the newest stock brokerages like Robinhood app and M1 Finance are recommended by some active investors. Tip number 5, don't be emotional investor. The legendary investor Warren Buffett states that a great investor needs temperamental quality rather than intellectual quality. Investors need a stable personality rather than just follow the crowds. Know the value of the business first rather than just the price of the stock. Continue to self educate and invest more as you become more comfortable. That's all I have for you today. I hope you've got some values from this video. If you do, like and share this video. Subscribe to this channel because more valuable content is on the way.